Okay, today's episode of Nacho Mechanic, we have a differential that is leaking, and as you can see, it's somewhere right there is leaking in between the power divider, and it has a lot of play. See, back there too, looks like it's leaking. But we're gonna pressure wash this to be a little bit more cleaner. So let's get it right. Stay cheesy, follow along. All right, we're underneath the truck, and as you can see, it's been leaking right here because I drove it just a little bit. See, it's already a small leak. So we got it. Some of the stuff washed, no more grease covered it. There is all caked up like that. But we've removed the U-joint. So now, time to take all these bolts off. 15, 16, get your Milwaukee, Snap-on, Matco. I prefer it, whatever. Hey, okay, don't lose the washers and equipment. All right, it's gonna be a while. We'll get back. I'll get back at. All right, when you got all those regular bolts out, you still gonna have like two that are like regular. It's gonna take you a while. Get your little ratchet wrench and then take all the bolts out. Take the axle out, and this should just drop. All right, we got all the bolts off on the differential. Axles are pulled out. So, all right, so there goes our differential right there. It's out. This is good. We cleaned it. Now we just gotta wait for Monday to get that one and swap it out. Has too much play. It's been leaking. It just has too much play. Yeah, differentials, bro. All right, what's going on? We back. We're about to install this new differential, rebuilt with 373s. Go in there. Now we let it drop in slowly. I'll go over there in a few to guide it in. I just needed to go. I needed to drop. It's going in. It's going in. We got our guide bolts ready. So new differentials in. We're right there. We got it. Some guide bolts right there. Yeah, we got it started. That's the hardest part. But now we just got to the silicone. And then put everything back together. All right, new differential in, resealed. Gotta reinstall the brake chamber. It was getting in the way to get stuff. This one's good now. No more play. Oh yeah, okay. All right, we got everything back in. Done.